I bear the weight of the family business every day. I am bearing some difficult news right now. I have just borne the brunt of the criticism. I have been bearing this pain quietly for weeks. I bore the cost of the repairs myself last month. I was bearing the heavy load up the stairs when I slipped. I had borne the responsibility alone before help arrived. I had been bearing the tension in the office for months before I quit. I will bear the good news to the whole team tomorrow. I will be bearing gifts at the celebration all evening. I will have borne every hardship by the end of this journey. By June, I will have been bearing this burden for a full year.